Alright guys, it's time to upgrade the PS5 storage. Let's go! Now I've gone ahead and put the Galaxy livery on my PS5. If you guys want it, you'll have to merge from the Vagrant livery number 27. Now I will be showing you how to install the 2TB SD card into your PS5 guys. It is so easy. I am using the S660 SSD from Fanxiang. I'm not even going to try and pronounce that. But guys, there is heaps of SSD cards you can get. Just make sure that you get the compatible one for your PlayStation. Now this one comes with a heatsink. Some of them may not. I've already gone ahead and put it together as it does not come set up. But guys, you get some heatsink tape. I've put the small thin one on the bottom and the thicker one on top of the chip. You just sort of wedge it in there and then clip it together, and that is it. Now you want to make sure you've got enough room on the front of the chip to clip in, and also a little bit on the back so you can put the screw. Alright, now guys, quickly I just have to say a huge shout out to Magix Gaming, Unreal. Guys, he sent me this SSD card. Thank you so much, bro. I know I was whinging about running out of space, but yes, this is awesome. Thank you. That is unreal, man. You're a legend. Also, Dead, one of my subscribers, has sent me these to try. Takis, I don't know, but they're blue. They look scary, but I will try them. Thank you so much, bro. I will put them in another video. Thank you so much. You're a legend. All right, back to the PlayStation. Now, guys, the bottom of the PlayStation is blue and the top is pink. I have color graphed it like that so you guys know what side I am working on. As you can see, down the bottom here is the power button, and up here we got the USB. Now this is my digital version. The disc version is exactly the same. This is a wannabe. Now what you want to do, guys, you want to grab the top, back, and the bottom front. You want to lift it up, put a bit of pressure with your thumb, and just slide it down, and it will come off easy. You will have to put a bit of pressure, and you may find some crap in here. Just give it a quick clean out if it's dusty, guys. Now, this is where we need to get to. Alright, it's quite simple. The SSD card that I got, it come with a mini screwdriver. So yes, you will need a little Phillips head screwdriver, and we need to take this screw off here. Alright, so go ahead and do that. Now, once you've got the screw off, guys, just gently, you can pry open this flap. We're going to call it a flap. And it just comes out just like that. Now up here is where the SD card will go, and down the bottom here is the screw we need to take. But we will leave that there for now. You want to make sure you've got it the right way around, guys. Put it in on a bit of an angle, and then just sort of jiggle it until you feel it lock into the slot. Let it drop down, and then give it that final click in. You will know it's in the right spot if that back screw hole is in the right spot, guys. Now, we just want to pull out that screw, and it will come with a little round cylinder type washer, spacer, should I say. Make sure you don't drop these in the fan or in the turbo, because guys, it's just going to make problems. Now, what you want to do with the little spacer is just pop it in its little slot there, make sure it's upright, and then go ahead and put the screw in, guys. And we're going to re-put it in the middle here. We basically just move that screw from the back hole to the middle hole to secure our SSD card. Alright, all done. Now from here we want to put our flap back on and screw it down tight. Alright, once you've done that, guys, you can go ahead and put your cover back on. It is the exact same as taking it off, just reverse. And then we're ready to turn on our PlayStation. Now from here you just want to head over to settings. And we're going to scroll down to storage. Now when you click on storage, guys, you will notice there is console storage, and then there is your SSD storage. Awesome! Now at the start it may ask you to reformat it. If it does, guys, just go ahead and do that. Then you want to go down to the installation location. Oof. And we're going to change the console storage to our SSD storage. Now we're going to do that for the PS5 games and apps and the PS4 games and apps. So now when you go ahead and download something, guys, you will notice that it is downloading it to the external SSD card. You'll get a little symbol up the top there. This is perfect. And that is it, guys. You now have 2 TB of extra space. Let's go.
That booty got a pulse of its own. She still step in, hips on hypnosis, ass like 2 planets in tight orbits. Drop that back like she breaking rules. Got every never fucker acting like fools. Eyes low, drink in hand, but her body screaming louder than the band. She don't talk, she bend and flex, make a preacher throw a check. Booty, booty, booty got me hypnotized.